Noon. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. It's the day right here. This is gonna be it's time to paint. Right now, pretty much got the car prepped, ready. Cuzzo's over there setting up the paint gun and all the other stuff. So we're gonna roll around and check it out. Here we go. Right here we got our paint supplies. Harbor Freight Black Widow. This is a nice little unit right here. You got all the stuff in here that it's gonna use. Hey! There you go. You don't need that though. See which one you need to adapt, right? Yeah, I don't know. That's a slide-in unit. There you go. It kind of clips over them, sets over them clips right here.
I don't know, dude. I ain't read the instructions at all.
It's all good. Live and learn, man. She gonna learn today. There's all the paint cups and full base, all that good shit.
So this goes.
Scroll over here to the got it all taped off, looking like a balloon in the wind. Window taped off, front windshield taped off, got the harness. That's what I was telling y'all, that damn aluminum foil, that does numbers. Whole engine bay prepped, sanded, cleaned, wax grease remover. It is ready. It's clean. Got all that done. Looking good. Got that looking good, buddy. Should just snap right in, right?
I don't know. So hope it don't leak.
As long as it's done in that.
See, it's got this collar, and then the refillable cup goes in here. I don't like this design at all. I'd rather have a regular paint gun than this. I shouldn't have got this one. Should have got a different one.
Alright, it's alright. It'll work.
Don't help that the wind's blowing 100 miles an hour.
Adapt, man. Gotta adapt.
Cap.
We don't let shit whoop us over here. We adapt and overcome and do what we gotta do. It'll be painted today. Looking good. Oh yeah. Let it cure, and then probably this weekend be able to put the goodies right in here. Got some more unboxing stuff we haven't did for this car, the axles and new mounts, other stuff, harness, new engine harness, other stuff we got to unbox. Let's save that for a little bit later until we get the big motor in here, big jumbo unit.
Dude, I don't have my steering sticks.
Steering sticks are in the box right there. Probably down in the side. We put 2 of them in that box when I picked the paint up. Oh shit. Can't be having that thing in there. Oh, that's an empty box. So clean you could eat off that shit right there, buddy. Like clean. Like clean. He took the clutch master. He took the clutch master cylinder off this unit right here, and he took the brake master off and the booster. He took that off so he can get a nice little. Won't have to paint. He won't have to damn mask around none of that shit. Just kind of spray where it need to be, easy accessible. I believe he's going to paint over in the cowl panel too. I think so. Alright, well y'all have a good one. See ya. We back, baby. Live in 5.